Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Before we get more into the video, let me introduce myself. My name is Talia and I love to roller skate. Today I will be talking about the first invention of the first electric hearing aid. The reason I am recording this video today is because my mom uses hearing aids. You might be surprised to learn that the first electric hearing aid wasn't invented until almost the 1900s. Before that, deaf and hard of hearing people used devices called ear trumpets. They were usually made by instrument makers on an as-needed basis. The ear trumpets were helpful, but they were big and clunky. Eventually, they were able to make hearing aids that were smaller and more portable, and even put them in headwear to make them hands-free. The 1870s and 1880s brought technological advancements that changed hearing aids forever. The telephone and the microphone. With these inventions, scientists had new and improved understanding of acoustics, especially manipulating sound waves. In the 1890s, Miller Reese Hutchinson, an inventor and electrical engineer, used this information to create the Yucaphone, which was the first electric hearing aid. Hutchinson was inspired by a childhood friend named Lyman Gould, who was deaf from scarlet fever. He went to the Medical College of Alabama to study the ear, then combined the knowledge with his engineering training to create the Yucaphone. A carbon transmitter used an electric current to change a weak signal to a strong signal. The first version he made was large and meant to sit on top of a table. It was effective but not practical or portable. He kept working on it. In 1902, released the Acousticon, and portable and chargeable version of his Yucaphone. Neither Hutchinson's device were perfect, but they were both incredible steps forward for the deaf community and hard of hearing community. Inventors continued to build on his conceptions until the 1940s, when he used the vacuum tubes, became more successful in hearing aids. Still, without Hutchinson's early inventions, hearing aids likely would not be advanced as they are today. I hope you like learning about this invention in medical technology. Thanks for watching. Bye!